Check out this 2014 Dodge Journey Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag sensor, and stability control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.